You ever had Kahlua and milk before? Shit is banging.
I don't drink milk. I drink soy.
Soy milk?
Yeah.
Shit, have it with soy milk too. I'm saying this shit's banging. So she got me a bottle, and I only drank it with milk. Sometimes I would, like, before I go to bed, I pour some with milk, just drink it, just get, like, that drink get me like crazy, like makes me feel so effing nice.
So what are you doing?
You ever have Kahlua before?
No.
And anything?
Only thing I've ever had was gin and orange juice, Belvedere orange juice. Smirnoff vodka and orange juice,
right.
Hypnotic and Hennessy. And one time somebody made a drink with
well, of course,
Kettle One vodka, orange juice, lemon juice, lime juice,
damn,
and tonic water.
Right.
Those are the only things I've ever drunk ever in my life.
Oh, shit.
And I've had wine like twice, like a couple times.
Oh yeah. Alright, hold up.
I'm not a big drinker.
No. I'm not a big drinker either, but I love my freaking Kahlua milk, and I love my Malibu and pineapple. Oh shit! I need to get a bottle each coming up pretty soon.
You better not be putting this on